Hi, this is Kevin Peterson, Project Manager with Largo Concrete. On behalf of the entire Linnea project team, we wanted to say thank you for the tremendous effort put forth by our teammates, Carmel Partners, Inglekerk, VTBS, and Catalina Pacific. We're incredibly appreciative of ACI for this recognition, and we look forward to having events in person again soon. From all of us here at Largo, we wish everyone a safe and healthy holiday season, and cheers to brighter days ahead.
The Webster, a new flagship store for the retail outpost, located on the corner of Beverly Boulevard and San Vicente, is hard to miss. The 11,000 square foot ground-up development located at the iconic Beverly Center is a monolith of pink concrete. Shaw & Sons worked with the design team to match a specific Pantone color. In order to achieve the custom pink shade, white cement was utilized for all the architectural elements. The batching and color dosing consistency was critical to the success of this project, so Shaw & Pulley was tasked with quality control of concrete orders at the batch plant. All exterior concrete walls and interior concrete walls and column wraps were form cast with the custom pink mix. Forming the curvilinear nature of the furniture and walls was challenging, as well as maintaining the same texture at radius transitions. The Webster name was engraved at the entrance and at the water feature wall.
My name is Bill Beeson with Pacific Pervious, and this is our greenhouse project.
Hi, I'm Lauren Ray with Pacific Pervious, and we'd like to thank the American Concrete Institute for the awarded Excellence in Environmental Usage of Concrete.
Hi, this is Austin Judge with Ecoscape Pavement. We just wanted to extend our sincere thanks to Pacific Pervious for allowing us to participate in the greenhouse project, as well as show our appreciation to the ACI Southern California chapter for recognizing the fantastic work done by the Pacific Pervious team on the greenhouse. Thank you.
I am Ryan Marlinghouse of Pervious Products and the developer of PerkTop. We are honored to be recognized by our peers.
The Ivy Station development sits adjacent to the Culver-Venice Metroline station in Culver City, California, along Venice and Jefferson Boulevard. This city block-wide transit-oriented development is a true mixed-use project with commercial office space, hospitality rooms, and residential units with a retail plaza at street level. Each component sits atop a 3-level below-grade 607,000 square foot parking podium housing 1,538 stalls. The versatility of the podium is also depicted with 3 different building types rising from the 218,000 square foot plaza level lined with space for retail and food stores. The 148-room hotel utilizes structural steel, while the 200 residential units are spread across the wood frame. Both components are 5 stories tall, sitting atop an elevated deck of concrete, while the entire commercial building is cast-in-place concrete. The mat foundation ranges from 17 inches to 60 inches thick, 3 levels below the street. At the plaza level, structural columns switch from rectangular to circular, which juxtapose the angular-shaped decks. The concrete columns, interior walls, and soffits remain exposed throughout the commercial building, to usher views outward to the street and plaza with a grand entrance off Venice reaching 28 feet 5 inches in height. Overall, Largo placed 81,500 cubic yards of concrete.
Panko Builders and the Penta Building Group came together to form Panko Penta Builders. We partnered as general contractor and concrete contractor to complete the Metropolis R3 Tower for Greenland, USA. We'd like to thank the Southern California chapter of ACI for this award. We'd also like to thank National Ready Mix for supplying the concrete and DOCA formwork. We'd also like to acknowledge the designers led by HED Architects and Engelkirk Structural Engineers.
Hi, my name is John Canito and I'm the president of the Penta Building Group. We are so proud to be part of the PPV team, the Penta Panko Builders team that's accepting the award for the ACI SoCal Concrete for the Metropolis project in downtown Los Angeles. The Metropolis project is a 56-story tower with a 26-story low-rise. It was 671 feet in downtown Los Angeles. The concrete on this project was extremely challenging from a logistics perspective, but the team pulled together, did a fantastic job, and we are so honored to be recognized by ACI.
This project was not only significant for us and our partners, but also for the Los Angeles community. On behalf of DOCA, I would like to thank Charles Panko Builders for their commitment to safety for the workforce as well as the general public. It was this commitment which allowed us to work together in order to design a perimeter safety system which worked in concert with their truss stable shoring.
HED is proud to be the architect for the Metropolis R3 Tower. We started the project in 2014, and with this tower's completion, the project site has been transformed from a decades-long 6.5-acre vacant lot into a vibrant urban complex serving as a spirited gateway to downtown Los Angeles.
HED brought extensive expertise in residential high-rise design and our deep bench of experienced team members to steer the project through its complex processes. We successfully managed a large group of talented design consultants and worked closely with Penta Pancal to deliver the phased occupancy required by ownership.
With this award, we want to thank and acknowledge our client Greenland USA and Penta Pancal as a trust general contractor and design build partners to deliver this wonderful project. Thank you.
Morley provided structural concrete services for SoFi Stadium, the largest and most expensive NFL stadium ever built. Home to the NFL's Los Angeles Rams and Los Angeles Chargers, the 70,000-seat stadium in Inglewood, California, spans more than 3 million square feet and includes a 5,000-seat performance venue for concerts and events. The seating bowl is divided into 5 tiers and numerous hospitality balconies. Because of its proximity to Los Angeles International Airport, it is designed with the field at 100 feet below street level and the roof rising to 275 feet above it. The sloped, one-of-a-kind UV and rain-resistant canopy roof creates a transparent dome with ETFE cover. The stadium is part of a larger 300-acre sports complex that will include new facilities for the league and its NFL network, as well as a mix of entertainment, commercial, and residential buildings. Morley used 76,000 cubic yards of concrete for the project, which included structural concrete footings, slab on grade, fill on slab on metal deck, curbs, and topping slabs. Miscellaneous structures outside the bowl included cooling tower below grade foundations, retaining walls, slab on grade, stair support structure footings, walls, and electrical vault foundations. The project's massive size required extensive coordination and communication with the general contractor and management personnel, as well as strategic scheduling to avoid impacting roof construction schedule. Over 150 skilled concrete tradespeople were required at the height of construction. The project team is proud to have been a part of this remarkable project and hopes that it is recognized not only for its size, but perhaps more importantly, for the coordination and care taken to bring this project to fruition. The Geffen Theater is a spherical, cast-in-place concrete, shotcrete, and precast concrete structure approximately 150 feet in diameter with a seating capacity of nearly 1,000 people. The sphere is over 5 stories tall with a glass-enclosed rooftop event deck open to the Hollywood Hills to the north. The entire structure is supported by 8 7-foot diameter triple pendulum isolators bearing on 4 8 by 20 by 24 foot tall cast-in-place architectural concrete plinth columns sitting on two 600 cubic yard mat foundations. The structure required approximately 2,500 cubic yards below the isolators for foundations and 2,400 cubic yards of concrete structures above the isolators. The relatively small area and concrete quantity is deceiving. The building was not only spherical, but all of the structural components were curvilinear throughout the structure and required extensive use of BIM to detail the compound curving formwork. Curved forms range from massive timber-framed 14-foot tall forms at the ends of transfer girders to the ends of radius concrete stair treads. To add complexity, the entire 23 million pound structure was supported by a massive point load shoring system that required its own foundation and remained in place until the spherical structure was complete and self-supporting. Point loads ranged from 28,000 pounds to over 550,000 pounds on a single tower. Shoring heights ranged from just a few feet tall to over 30 feet tall. Using the latest in BIM and robotic survey instruments, precision craftsmanship, nearly 150,000 man-hours, and hundreds of years of combined concrete construction experience resulted in a one-of-a-kind landmark concrete structure right here in Los Angeles.